Here is the next project. Tell me in comments if you know what this is. Well, hello there, friends. So look what we're working on today. This car is going to get one of the most basic vinyl tops you're ever going to see, and that's what we're going to do today. Every car I get seems to have its own story. This is an 8-second quarter-mile 69 Camaro here. They had a little problem. They already had a vinyl top on here. But you know what they installed it with? The spray can adhesive that I always tell everybody not to use. But you know what? I guess they didn't see that video. So anyway, that's what they used. And guess what happened? They're going down the track and the top blew off. It blew off of the car. So we're going to show him how to do it correctly. We're going to use contact adhesive made specifically for this purpose. So here we go. This time, this is what we're going to be using right here. Look at that. Contact adhesive. And for what? For Landau top and trim. So specifically for this job. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start taping off where we don't want glue. Now, I get a lot of questions about vinyl tops. One of the questions that I get is, does the roof need to be sanded before we put the glue on? And that answer would be no. The reason it's a no is because that glue is very strong. And glue is all we really need. So the glue is what's going to hold that. It's going to adhere to the paint. So don't worry about that. So the first place I always start is I always put the glue around the perimeter first. Especially this car here, I'm going to put extra heavy glue here behind the windshield trim and across this front header right here behind the windshield, because you know what, we don't want this top blowing off. So the customer supplied this top for me. I didn't buy this one and I didn't make it. So this is really an aftermarket top right here. So what I'm going to do on the front and the rear is we're going to find the center of this top. So we have the seams right here. I just put those together